promise you that soon the autumn comes to steal